How to read Ukrainian sentences and questions with the correct intonation. Let's learn. If it's a statement, the intonation is falling. Це школа. Це школа. If it's a question, but you don't have a question word, the intonation is rising. And the only thing that shows us that it's a question is the intonation. Це школа? Це школа? If our question is without a question word, we may raise our voice at the word that is the most important for us in this sentence. For example, це твоя школа? Is this your school? Це твоя школа? Or це твоя школа? Це твоя школа? Is this your school? And finally, if we have a question with a question word, the intonation is falling like in a statement. Де твоя школа? Де твоя школа? Where is your school?